Welcome to an exploration of Johannes Kepler and the architecture of the heavens. This chronicle tracks a monumental cosmic shift, how a visionary spun mystical geometry into the very bedrock of modern astrophysics, forever changing how we map the stars. Behold the duality of Kepler's mind. On the left, a Renaissance mystic seeking God's cosmic blueprint in perfect circles and platonic solids. On the right, the modern physicist emerges, shifting to empirical facts and dynamic mathematics to reveal the true elliptical architecture of planetary motion. Born into 1571 turmoil, Johannes Kepler overcame severe physical frailties and a fractured, impoverished childhood. Despite crippled hands and poor eyesight, his mind endured, securing a scholarship to Tübingen University. There, he encountered the radical Copernican system, igniting a spark that would reshape astronomy forever. In 1595, Kepler experienced a profound epiphany that five nested platonic solids dictated planetary spacing. While factually incorrect, this bold hypothesis marked a revolutionary leap, the first public defense of the Copernican system seeking a physical and geometrical cause for the structure of our universe. Welcome to a monumental collision of minds in Prague. When elite observer Tycho Brahe died, impoverished genius Johannes Kepler inherited, some say stole, his unparalleled planetary data. Investigating a tiny 8 arc-minute discrepancy in Mars' orbit, Kepler found the catalyst that shattered 2 millennia of dogma demanding perfect celestial circles. Enter 1609, the year the perfect circle broke. In Astronomia Nova, Kepler unveiled his first 2 revolutionary laws. Planetary orbits are ellipses with the sun at one focus, and planets sweep out equal areas in equal times, dynamically accelerating at perihelion and decelerating at aphelion. Enter 1619 and the majestic symphony of Harmonices Mundi. Here Kepler unveils his third law, the harmonic law, proving a planet's orbital period squared is proportional to its distance cubed. He reveals a grand cosmic design. Time and space in our universe are permanently mathematically locked. Witness the ultimate evolution of the heavens. This diagnostic matrix charts our journey from Ptolemy's Earth-centered epicycles through Copernicus's sun-centered perfect circles to Kepler's triumph, a dynamic universe where planets track variable, elliptical paths strictly governed by physical forces. Behold the father of modern optics. Kepler polished his planetary work to unlock the mechanics of vision, discovering light's inverse square law and the retina's inverted images. By inventing a superior refracting telescope using 2 convex lenses, he forever revolutionized how humanity gazes into the deep cosmos. Behold the boundless mind of a Renaissance polymath. Beyond the stars, Kepler reshaped human knowledge, laying the foundations of integral calculus through wine barrels, pioneering crystallography using snowflake geometry, and penning Somnium, a visionary tale widely celebrated as the world's very first science fiction novel. Witness a perilous battle between reason and dark superstition. When Kepler's elderly mother was accused of witchcraft, the brilliant astronomer paused his career and sacrificed his savings. Wielding an armor of pure logic and medical facts, he successfully dismantled the hysterical charges to secure her absolute acquittal. Witness the dramatic duality of Kepler's existence. This timeline maps his monumental scientific milestones against a harrowing backdrop of earthly turmoil, enduring religious persecution, family tragedy, and exile and war. It is a profound testament to a mind that found ultimate cosmic harmony and absolute personal chaos. Behold the crowning monument of Kepler's vision, the Rudolphine tables. Blending Tycho Brahe's data with revolutionary elliptical mechanics and logarithms, this masterwork earned spectacular validation in 1631. By flawlessly predicting Mercury's transit, it shattered old Copernican standards to become the ultimate map of the cosmos. Witness the grand evolution of celestial mechanics. This timeline charts the bridge to modern physics, from Tycho Brahe's precise raw data, through Johannes Kepler's brilliant kinematics explaining how planets orbit, to Isaac Newton's universal gravitation providing the definitive why. Astronomy is forever transformed from geometry into mathematical physics. Reflect now on the enduring legacy of Johannes Kepler. By courageously replacing ancient dogma with mathematical truth, this solitary genius did more than chart the planets. He unlocked the language of the modern cosmos, permanently changing how humanity perceives its place among the infinite stars.